Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be showing you the process of me getting my hair washed, blow dried, and straightened. Let me just first say that my phone was dying and I didn't get some pieces. So at the end you'll see where I just inserted some pictures, and yeah, but this is me getting my hair washed. She washed it about 4 times because my hair was so dirty. I did like a bun style with a lot of gel and just doing all kind of stuff. So this is her now detangling my hair. She does have conditioner in it, and so she just goes section by section, parting with her fingers and detangling with a wide tooth comb. And y'all do not mind my chewing because I was so hungry. So the conditioner is washed out and she is putting heat protectant on my hair before blow drying. So y'all, in these next images, y'all will see how bad my ends were. She had to do 2 trims, a total of 2 inches, because I wanted to keep as much length, but then I saw how much needed to go. Alright, so I'm gonna unwrap my hair. It's been 2 days. I had it wrapped for 2 days because of the rain, and I'm gonna unwrap it and see what it look like. Now I know my wrap hair is flying, but that's okay because I'm not gonna put heat on it. I know I could curl it, but in a couple more days I'll probably end up washing it, putting a wig on my head because I like protecting my hair, and just leave it alone and just let it grow. But I think my camera is gonna die again, and I'll just insert a picture of how my hair looked once I got the part right, got my hair all going the same way, because right now it just look mess. It's straight, but it just look crazy. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.